Here's how to appeal a TikTok ban. First of all, you need to go ahead and open a new TikTok account because you cannot use your banned one. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the three lines in the top right to go to settings. From here, tap on settings and privacy and then scroll all the way down and go to help center. Here, you'll get the option of chat with us in the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. In the chat, you can report your problem. Or you can also go ahead and select any of these options over here. As we're looking to appeal a TikTok ban, we're going to go ahead and tap on this account option. Tap on renew until you find the correct option to go for. If the options to go for appeal is not over there, you can just simply send a message telling TikTok that you want to appeal for your TikTok ban. In your appeal, you can include your banned account username and explain why you think that it was banned incorrectly. Attach any evidence like screenshots or videos to support your claim. When you're ready, tap on submit, and TikTok support usually reviews it within 2 to 3 days. If you were banned incorrectly, they'll probably unban your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.